Country Delight offers you excellent quality milk and milk products, and on your first recharge, you get 100% cashback, and also with every referral, you get 250 rupees cash in your wallet. You can go to the website or download the app to check out which all places it's available and also the products that are available. All the products as of now are available only in Delhi, and in Mumbai we get few products. I've been using the cow milk, which is of great quality. I've tried out their curd too, which is great, and also they have excellent quality paneer, which they give for regular customers at a discounted price, like 65 rupees on once a week basis. I've not tried the ghee because I get the excellent quality of cream with which I'm enjoying making ghee. All those bread and eggs are not yet available in Mumbai, but I'm sure that is also of great quality. It and As a first time customer, you get a self test kit with which you can check the quality of the milk, and that's after a long time we decided to try out the to check the quality of the milk, Country Delight milk and another milk which is Amul, and we felt it was a nice experiment for our son to watch too. Do continue watching.
Okay, so we got this test kit free with Country Delight milk, and can you see there are 4 containers here? It says test milk. Okay, so we're going to put milk inside this, and there are 4 different types of tests. So you have a MQ or milk quality test, you have a urea test, you have a starch test, and you have a soap or detergent test. So we're going to see if there is urea, starch or soap or detergent in the milk, because it's not supposed to be there. And this will generally tell us the quality of the milk, whether it's adulterated or it's pure milk. Okay, now we have these strips, so these are like indicators. I'm going to take all of them out. Okay,
That is Country Delight. This is Amul milk.
yeah, this is Country Delight milk, this is Amul milk. So we've got 2 different milk brands.
What's that?
This is the test strip, it's an indicator if the color changes.
Here come the video.
Okay, so we've got 2 strips inside there. Now if the color of the milk turns blue, okay, that means slightly bluish, right?
Yes, it's slightly blue.
Now what we have to do is we have to leave this for 25 minutes.
Oh.
So till then,
So if the milk turns back to white, that means the milk is not of good quality. But if the color remains like this bluish, that means the milk is of good quality. And I'm going to put Amul milk here. Okay,
That is Country Delight.
this is Country Delight. I'm going to check for soap.
why would there be soap in milk?
People mix.
So what it says is, if there is soap, the milk will turn blue. If there is no soap, it will remain light
Immediately.
yellow, natural milk color.
Immediately.
No, in 5 minutes. Country Delight is here and here, and this we are testing quality of milk, and this we are testing for soap, and these 2 are Amul milk. Okay, so 5 minutes is done, and this test we were supposed to check back in 5 minutes. If there is any soap mixed in the milk, then the milk is supposed to turn blue. So neither the Amul nor the Country Delight have turned blue, which means both Country Delight and Amul do not have soap mixed in them. Start test. If it becomes blue, it is adulterated milk. If it's not blue, that means milk is of good quality.
5 minutes you have to
5 minutes you have to wait. This is Country Delight and this is
Amul.
clearly there is no starch in either Amul or in Country Delight because neither of them has turned blue. So this is the urea test.
unedible.
Country Delight,
They do that for
Amul,
money.
and after 5 minutes if it changes to yellow, that means it has urea. But if it remains the natural milk color, that means it is unadulterated. The urea test has also shown that neither Country Delight nor Amul has urea mixed in it, which is a good sign. I think the conclusion is both Country Delight and Amul do not have any adulterated substances in them. But this test, which shows the quality of the milk, basically how much of fat is there in the milk and how healthy it is. So if you see, the Amul has turned to white. That means the quality, if there is no adulterated substances, but the quality of the milk, the amount of fat that's there in the milk is quite low. Okay,
And
so you
also
can
it's
think
not
of it as
healthy.
drinking water. And this, which is Country Delight, is still quite, blue. So it was dark blue, but it has become a little light, but it is still blue, and it has still retained that color, which shows that the amount of fat or the quality of the milk is much better in Country Delight.
And it's healthier.
Nathan, did you enjoy this experiment?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.